You looking to get a refund from Fashion Nova in 2025, whether you received the wrong items if didn't fit or you simply change your mind. I have got you covered with a step-by-step guide to make the process smooth and hassle-free. Step 1. Know your time frame. You have 30 days from the date of delivery to initiate your return. Make sure you act quickly to ensure your eligibility for a refund or store credits. Step 2. Prepare your return. Before sending anything back, check that your items are in their original condition, unowned, unwashed, and with tags attached. If you are returning multiple orders, remember to package them separately. Combining them can delay processing. Step 3. Use the return portals. Hand over to the Fashion Nova return portals on their website. Here you will need to enter your order details and select the items you want to return. Follow the prompts to generate a return label. Step 4. Ship your return. Once you have printed your label, packages your item securely and drop them off at your chosen carrier. Keep the tracking number safe if your proof of return. It's your proof of return. Step 5. Wait for processing. After Fashion Nova receive your return, they typically process refund within 5 to 7 business days. Most refunds are issued as a store credit via a gift card, so keep that in mind when planning your next purchase. Getting a refund from Fashion Nova doesn't have to be stressful. Just remember to act within 30 days, prepare your items properly, and follow the steps through their return portal. If you have any question or run into issues, don't hesitate to reach out their customer service for assistance. Now they are you ready. Go ahead and reclaim your funds with confidence. Happy shopping!